Hey John, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. I was told you would be the correct person to watch this, so I really hope you're watching. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this custom video to you. I'm here to audit your site. I'll compare your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients all on your own just by using your website. I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories I would like to go over would be content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here, John. It's a great website. Interlinking seems to be on point. The navigation is fairly simple. The colors are great. As I go through your website, I see you have great photos and a beautiful layout. Unfortunately, not enough content. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and the level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, I mean spamming. For example, having keywords all over your page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol. It's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. And who wants that, right? This is what you have going behind the scenes. This is a paid tool, by the way. This is Eros. If you don't mind paying for it, you can have this yourself and just monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. The second thing I want to talk about would be backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another, right? Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. So you currently have no backlinks, no data. But that would fall on the UR meter here. Once you increase the backlinks and get those powerful backlinks, this is going to increase. You'll have a meter here, just how it's shown on the DR. The DR is in regards to the referring domains and citations. The citations would be the third and final thing I want to go over on this video. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and a phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That's pretty much what a citation is, John. So pretty much you don't have anything going. You have 9 keywords. This is very important, the keywords. I'll iterate a little bit more on this. Organic traffic, looks like you have 0 people jumping onto your website. But this is what you currently have. Jumping onto one of your competitors, Olympic Landscape. This is their website. As you can see, they have more content here, and they do have specific keywords that help them bump up in the listings inside of Google, of course. What they have going behind the scenes, though, they have over 1,000 backlinks, referring domains over 300, organic keywords over 1,000. This is great. Organic traffic over 1,000. So there's people jumping onto their website. Over 1,000 people are jumping onto the website, I should say. The UR meter just 1. The DR meter just 8. This is not bad. This is not bad to beat. You could definitely use SEO services to increase and most likely beat them. You want to keep this too at a 1:1 ratio. It's just good practice. This will definitely give you a great boost. The third, I should say, and final thing I want to talk about would be keywords. This is what they have as keywords. This is their keywords list. Just this keyword alone, Tacoma landscaping, 500 people are jumping every month inside of Google, to find the service of landscaping with this keyword, Tacoma landscaping. In other words, 500 people are searching every month for this service. Imagine those 500 people are finding you instead. That's pretty much the whole point of SEO, to beat them. So you could get those clients instead of them. Well, John, this is what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or If you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. We can even take a phone call to further discuss if you're interested. But for now, take care. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.